Designed by Lloyd Wright, the Guggenheim Museum opened in 1959. Located on Fifth Avenue, the building engages in a dialogue with the grid of the city and Central Park across the street. A pinwheel plan organizes the spaces around a central atrium. The traditional format of individual rooms is discarded for a continuous flow of exhibits along a spiral ramp. Visitors start at the top and move down the light-filled space. Clerestory windows are cut into the exterior shell. Exhibits can make creative use of the central space and spiral ramp. Grab a snack in the museum cafe. Don't miss the Guggenheim Museum on your visit to New York City.